everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So for today's video, I am doing a bit of a declutter. I don't usually go into declutters or anything like this time of year. However, my makeup drawers are so out of hand at the moment. I really don't know how this has happened. Well, actually, I think I do. I basically brought a lot of my makeup that I had at my boyfriend's house, brought it back home to like switch things around now for autumn and winter. And then also I brought some stuff from Portugal that I had from the summer as well. So yeah, just a lot is going on, kind of overflowing, and I just need to sort it out. So these are actually my makeup drawers. The top two drawers is where I keep my makeup. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through it all, hopefully declutter a fair amount, because I really feel like I need to do a good declutter, like a good cull. I have to be quite ruthless here. So it's not going to be a full makeup collection or anything like that. It's just going to be a declutter, getting rid of the items that I no longer need. This is it. This is inside the makeup drawers. I have this top drawer and then also the bottom one, but obviously we'll start at the top for now. I am going to do this quite casually, to be honest with you. I'm not going to do a full like collection or anything. I'm just going to go through section by section and try to declutter as much as possible, basically. So I'll start off with primers. This is a Beauty Pie one I'm going to get rid of. These are two minis, which again I'm going to put elsewhere. Currently on the go I have these two from Peexo. I want to give a go, so I'm going to put these somewhere else as well so that I try them. And the rest of these I think can stay. And next I'll do concealers, because I literally currently have overflowing amount of concealers, this whole pot as well. There are just loads. So this is my current selection of concealers, clearly too many. Decided to declutter these, so these are going to go, which means that I'm left with a pot of concealers, which I think is a little bit better. I have some powders which I'm just going to put to the side, and another concealer. Bases is another category that I just have quite a lot of. So these are basically like the tinted moisturizers, as you can see. Fair few of It Cosmetics, which I do really enjoy. I have the oil-free illumination and just the standard, and then more kind of foundation type products here. Keeping these two Arborian, which I will pop on this side. Also going to keep these two from It Cosmetics. Foundation wise, both of these NARS, they're just slightly different colours. These two products as more illuminating products, which I'm still going to hold on to as well. I have two kind of foundation stick style products, which I'm going to declutter. And then I think finally these three bases I will hold on to. I was going to attempt switching things around, but I actually don't think this makes sense, so I'm just gonna put everything back to how it was. I have a few mini powders. I'm just gonna keep the two Laura Mercier and Goodbye to Nude by Nature. And then three powders. I'm going to keep Hourglass, Rhodial, and Say Goodbye to Soap and Glory. Popping in the foundations I want to keep. Mascaras. I just have so many mascaras. The ones currently on the go are these. So all of these I have all of these I have already opened. I am of course keeping Lash Paradise because it's just my favourite, and then I'm also going to keep this Marc Jacobs one and this L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. These other two that are already open I'm going to declutter, I just don't like them. These might stay in the pot, to be honest. And then all of these are like brand new, unopened basically, which Again, I also need to look through. This is also a new one, but keeping that as well. So in total, just decluttering these, not a huge amount, but better than nothing. Three benefit hoolas. Obviously I don't need to keep all three. I'm going to keep Glow and one of the standard ones. Okay, keep them there. Decluttering the other. I have a NARS Laguna and a NARS Casino. I'm going to declutter Casino and keep Laguna. This is a little mini from Charlotte Tilbury, keeping that. Hourglass palette, which I just adore, so I'm 100% keeping that. This is a little newbie from YSL, which I'm also going to keep. And because these fit, I'm just keeping those three as well. This is an Hourglass blush palette, which I kind of feel like I don't need, but I am going to hold on to it because I do really like it. And then maybe when I do a bigger declutter, I may get rid of that. Just come across another powder from NARS. This is a translucent powder, so I'm just going to pop this with my other powders. I've had this one from Stila for a while, still not used it, so I think I will declutter. This is NARS Orgasm and it's just a cult, so I'm going to keep that. This one from Bare Minerals is cute, so I think I will keep this as well. And what I'm currently loving is basically blushes like this, which are more of a cream blush. So I have two of the Peexo On The Glow blush sticks and then also an Hourglass blush stick. This is actually quite a dark colour, but I have a few more, so I might try and find those and do a little swap, but keeping these for now. This Bare Minerals highlighter, I have a mini and a full size, so I'm going to put away the mini and keep the full size. Becca Champagne Pop, keeping. My Mary Luminizer has definitely seen better days. It's all cracked, and so I just think it's time to say goodbye. Then I've got this face illuminator from MAC and also a highlighting stick. I'm going to keep the stick but declutter this from MAC. So this is the current standing of my top drawer, and actually I think it looks really quite good. So that's what I'm keeping, and this is so far what we've decluttered, which is pretty good going if you ask me. So this is the second drawer, which again, just a lot going on. To be honest, most stuff here is likely to stay the same. Let's go through these eyeshadows first. There I have just a couple of primers, and then I've got some eyeshadow sticks, which honestly I just don't use. So actually 5 of those are eyeliners. I don't think I ever use eyeliner. I've got 2 of these kind of brightening ones. I think I'm going to keep this one from Beauty Pie. Declutter both of these liquid liners. One is Benefit, one is Marc Jacobs, but as I said, or maybe I might keep the black one just because it is black, but decluttering the other, decluttering this one, and then I will keep this Charlotte Tilbury one. And then these 3 are eyeshadows, Stila, Bare Minerals, Beauty Pie. I think I'm just going to keep Bare Minerals. I have 3 of these MAC setting sprays. These are all like part of different ranges, but they're all very nearly finished, so I'm just going to have to use these up. I'm going to keep them, which might sound ridiculous, but they're so nearly finished, so I'm just going to use them up. Okay, brow products is my next big category. This is Maybelline's Tattoo Brow. I've never tried this, but it's something I want to try, so I'm going to hold on to it a little while longer. And then brow gels. This is what I have of brow gels, which is ridiculous to be honest. 3 from Bare Minerals, and what I'm going to do is keep Coffee and keep Clear. This is a brand new clear, which I'm going to declutter. 2 of Benefit Skimmy Brows. I have shade 3 and shade 4. I'm going to keep shade 4 because that's my preference. 2 of Benefit's 24-hour brow setter. This is my favourite brow gel, so I've got a new one which I'm going to keep, and also going to keep this one. And then this is Beauty Pie's. It's their Archology eyebrow sculpting gel. One is clear, one is hot coffee, and because I haven't tried them, I am actually going to keep them both, or maybe I'll just keep, I don't know, I'm going to keep them both to give a try. I have one of the new Benefit brow pomades. This is in the shade 4.5. Honestly, I don't really use a pomade, so I think I'm going to declutter this. And then these are my pencils. These 3, I sort of rotate between them, so I'm going to keep them because they're all nearly or being used up. I have these 3 from Benefit, the Goof Proof brow pencil. Actually, both of them are Goof Proof brow pencils. This is the brow microfilling pen. I'm going to declutter this one and keep the 2 Goof Proofs. This is a brow and lash gel, which I'm going to declutter. I have too many. And then both of these are more of a felt tip style of brow, I suppose, brow pen, but I don't really use this, so going to declutter both. I mean, just that section looks so much better. The rest here, I know it looks messy, but that's all staying the same. And then here I have palettes. Got 3 naked palettes. I've had to fill up the thing because they're so big, but 3 naked palettes. I'm keeping all 3. This is Urban Decay's Born to Run palette, which, I mean, I've been holding on to because it's got some nice unusual colours, but I just don't need this. It's quite old at the moment as well, so I think it's going to go. This is the Illamasqua Expressionist, which I'm going to keep because, again, it's got these gorgeous blues, which I love playing around with, and it's got black, which is always useful, so I'm going to keep this one a little while longer. This is from Hourglass, and I actually picked the colours in this palette, so keeping this one. This is a Bare Minerals Christmas last year palette. I really enjoyed this. I actually had it at my boyfriend's house, but brought it back, and I think, I don't know, maybe it's time to say goodbye to this one. This is a Pixie Quad full of shimmers. I just don't use this, so I'm going to declutter. Then for mini palettes, 1 Huda Beauty, 1 Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to keep both. This Gen Nude Neutral palette by Bare Minerals. Just love these. They're so easy, so keeping. 2 NARS palettes. They are quite similar, but I'm going to keep both of them. And then finally, this is more of a face palette. It's from Benefit, and it's just got some of their classics, so I'm going to keep hold of this as well. So there we go. Now this section is also looking much better. I think I did quite a good job, if I do say so myself. Sometimes I'm not as ruthless as I need to be when I do declutters. I just get attached to things too easily, but I think I did quite well. I do have a bit more space in my drawers now, which is great. I mean, there was just too much there, and a lot that I didn't use either. So I thought it was about time to say goodbye to the pieces that I'm not really using, the pieces that I probably will not use. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's actually really got me into the mood of moving things for autumn. I think very soon I'll be doing my wardrobe switchover from spring and summer to autumn and winter, which I'm really excited about. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you want to see more from me, please do click that subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you here. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram. I am at Peexo on Instagram. I would also love it if you followed me there. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more declutters from me, then please give this a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoyed it, and also comment down below. I love reading and replying to your comments, so if you would like to leave a comment, I would love that too. A very big thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all soon. Bye.